Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this problem, we are told to factorize a squared minus b squared and hence find the exact value of 2557 squared minus 2547 squared. So let's start with the first part of the problem, which is factorizing a squared minus b squared. So a squared minus b squared is the same thing as writing a squared plus 0ab minus b squared, which is the same thing as writing a squared plus ab minus ab minus b squared. And then we take these terms in pairs. So our first pair is going to be this, and this is going to be our second pair. So this in the first pair, let's factor out the common factor, which is a. So when we factor out a, we remain with a plus b. And then for the second pair, let's factor out b since it's the common factor. So we factor out b and we'll remain with a, and then because we have this negative here and then this other one, this is going to be plus b, right? And then now notice something. Here we have this a plus b, and then here we have a plus b. So let's factor that out. So when we factor out a plus b, here we are left with the a, and then minus, on this other side, we are left with the b. So a squared minus b squared is the same thing as having a plus b and a minus b. Now, the next part of the question was find the exact value of 2557 squared minus 2547 squared. So 2557 squared minus 2547 squared. This is the same now as saying, so it's like kind of an equivalent of a plus b times a minus b. So this will be the same as 2557 minus 2547 multiplied by 2557 plus 2547, and then we include the brackets. So 2557 minus 2547, that's going to be 10, and then times, now you have to add 2557 plus 2547. This is going to be 14, carry 1, that's 10, carry 1, that's 11, carry 1, that's 5. So this is 10 times 5104. So this is the same as 51040, which is the answer.